Hello everybody, Stan here. Welcome to Tech Review Summaries. So I've been using the Logitech MX Anywhere 2 mouse for about a good 5 weeks or so right now, and I'm telling you, this is golden. This is my absolute favorite Logitech mouse to date. For all of you that have been wondering about the dreaded phantom clicks, not a single one. I've been using this every single day for hours each day. I've had to recharge this thing twice. That's how much use I've been getting out of it. So, I mean, I'm talking total hardcore. This mouse has not given me a single double click, phantom click. It's totally awesome. So like from the get-go, I remember like from the unboxing video, I kind of observed that, you know, the scroll wheel felt like it had a little bit of play. In the end, it's not really that big of a deal. It feels really good. What could be a deal breaker is that this scroll wheel, it only toggles between the two rolling modes. It could be free rolling, or you can get that kind of tactile feedback with little bumps. But other than that, it clicks great. It feels great in the hand too. And you know, the whole subtle curves and the surfaces, it doesn't seem like much, but once you're holding it, like, it's so easy to forget that you're even using this mouse. You know, it's like you miss it when it's not there, but when you have it in your hand, you're not even thinking about it. It just feels like an extension of yourself. On the underside, right here, the easy switch button, I've had this paired with 3 separate devices and just switching in between, and it just, within a second, you're moving on to the next device and you're mousing. Every once in a while, dirt and stuff will kind of collect on the pad, so you want to give them a good wipe down. But other than that, you know, if you want a good all-around mouse that is going to work for mobile, even work for desktops too, or all of your devices, this is going to be it. It's available now, totally recommended. You know, if anything, give it a try. I guarantee that you're going to fall in love with it. So that's it for today. If you want to read the full review, click on the link at the bottom. And other than that, come back soon to see what I got next. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.